YouTube, my name is Blake. This is my 2011 Ford F-150 EcoBoost. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a more prominent turbo sound from your truck's engine. But before we get into that, since it is my first video on the channel, I wanted to do a brief overview of the current state of the truck. That way you guys can see what we're working with. So first off, I just wanted to show you guys the wheels. We got the Fuel Off-Road Triton 22x12 wheels with the Yokohama Spec-X 325 50R22 tires. That is a 34.8-inch tire. Alright, next I wanted to just show you guys the lift. It's just a rough country 6-inch lift. Makes the truck have a pretty good stance. I like it a lot. Alright, so next I just wanted to show you guys the interior. It is a platinum, so we have the dark brown leather interior. Really like how this truck looks on the inside. Back here we got two Rockford fosgate audio 12-inch subwoofers. Can't really show them obviously since they face down, but you get the idea. Okay, so let's get into the performance aspect of the truck. We've got the air raid cold air dam intake on the truck. It was the first performance mod I did to the truck. It gets the job done. Okay guys, so we can move on to my tune now. I've got the SCT Power Flash tuner. It comes with 3 custom tunes. They really will pack a punch for your truck, so if you're looking to get a tuner for your 3.5 EcoBoost, definitely look into these. They will pack a punch, I can assure you that. I am going to get a dyno tune, a custom tune on here eventually, but I'm still adding parts, so as for right now, I am running this one right here. Okay guys, let's move on to the exhaust. I've got the MBRP 4-inch single side exit XP series exhaust. It definitely sounds great to me in my opinion. Definitely one of the better sounding exhausts for these trucks. So if you're looking to get an exhaust for your truck, definitely look into this one right here from MBRP. Okay guys, so other than that, the only other performance modification we have is the MBRP off-road downpipe. Now that is a catless downpipe, but that's where I get all the turbo sound from. I had initially done those other 3 modifications first, the cold air intake, the exhaust, as well as tuned it, and couldn't get any turbo sound from it. So I did a little bit more research, looked into it, and figured out if you upgraded the downpipe, that's where you can get a lot more turbo sound. Now mine is catless, so it does give a lot of turbo sound, but you can definitely just get one that's catted, just upgrade it, and you will definitely receive more turbo sound from your